Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. My name is Santiago and I'm very happy that you're back here seeing another tutorial. For a couple of videos now we have been checking a software called Synthesia. Synthesia is an AI powered tool and software where you can create videos using a bunch of different tools. You can create videos using prompts, you can create videos using files such as PDF files or PowerPoint files, you can even create videos using URLs, and the purposes of these videos are mostly for enterprises. For example, you can create training videos, you can create internal communication videos, you can create promo videos, and in order to do so, the software already has a bunch of assets that you can pick from. You can have a bunch of different avatars in your videos from the library that Synthesia has. It has music, you can even create your own avatar using your face, as we did in a previous video. If you haven't checked out those previous videos, I really invite you to go to the channel and check them out so you don't miss out any of the information we have given out regarding this software. We are using one of the paid plans. We have some credits that we bought. If you want to use one of the paid plans as well, there are some affiliate links on the description box down below for you guys to use and get the most out of the software, out of Synthesia. In this video, we're gonna be creating another video once again. But this time we're gonna be using multiple avatars in a scene. I'm gonna turn my camera off so you can see my screen better, and I'll see you guys in the end. As always, this is Synthesia's homepage. These are the projects that we have created in the previous videos. This is my face. This is the avatar that we created with my face. And as I told you just some seconds ago, today we're gonna create another video where we're gonna add different avatars in just one scene. And I'm going to show you how to create different transitions using the editor that the software has. If we click right here on new video, we can pick from different templates that we can choose from. There is a search bar at the top as well. In the previous video, we searched for promo and we use some of these templates. You can search specifically what you are looking for your video to be. There are different tags as well. If you want a sales video, a training video, a sales outreach video, or so on. As I told you, you can even import a PowerPoint using this tool right here. There are even interactive videos that you can pick from. For now, I'm gonna pick this template right here that says stylish corporate, and I'm gonna create with AI. As I showed you in previous videos, there are a bunch of ways that you can use the video assistant. You can upload files such as Word, PowerPoint, PDFs, and so on. You can upload URLs, for example, a Wikipedia article, or the easiest way, in my opinion, is the prompt tool, where you can just write a prompt and the software will then create a video, use and edit further in order to get specifically what you want. So I just wrote this little short prompt. It says, create a video with scenes in which multiple avatars appear. The video will be about a new food for cats that makes their fur much brighter. Include the pricing of the new food, where people could get it, and the ingredients it has. If you change your opinion, you can change the template in this step as well. You can choose the length of the video. I'm just gonna make it 1 minute, so it's not that long, but not that short either. And you can specify the objective, the audience, the language, the speaker, and the tone. For the audience, I'm gonna make it cat owners. The objective would be to sell new cat food, and the tone should be friendly. Once we're done, we can create the outline. The software then automatically creates the different chapters as we've seen in previous videos. The chapters have a little description below them. You can edit them or you can add more chapters if you want them. You can name them whichever way you want, and you can add the descriptions as well. And once everything's looking like you want it to be, you can create the video. The software is then gonna divide the chapters into scenes, and on those scenes is gonna add the scripts as we've seen in previous videos. Once everything is looking like you want it to be, you can continue in the editor. In the editor right here, we have the script at the bottom. We have the 4 different scenes that the AI created. And if you want another avatar to appear, you can go to the script right here. And if you click on enter, you can have another speaker speak another part of the script. For example, if I add this other person, I can have her to be a circle, so she's a bit smaller. And we could add another part of the script for her to interact with this other speaker that is called Ryan. She would say something like, "That's right, Ryan, our new food is much healthier for your cat, and the health benefits are clear." And just as easy as that, you can have multiple avatars in your scenes and they can interact with each other if you just add the script at the bottom of your scenes. You can add transitions to the scenes. If you click right here on this option that says scene transition, you can add different transitions. You can have fades, you can have wipes, you can have push, you can have slides. For example, if we add this slide, it would be added to all the scenes, and you can specify what happens after this scene. You can end the video, you can hop to the next scene or to a specific scene. If you wanted to hop to scene 4, for example, you can have it that way. I want a fade to white transition. You can add music as well to the specific scenes. For example, this one, let's add that one, and you can change the music and the transitions in specific scenes as well. Right now, the first one is fade to white and the other have slide over right. The first one has this music and the other ones don't have music. I'm gonna add the same music to all of them so it is a bit more polished. And you could even change the background media. If you click this option right here, you could change the way that the specific scenes look using, for example, these coffee shops. You could have a house, you could have outside backgrounds and so on. Once everything is just how you wanted it to be, you can click on generate. You can change the title and the description whichever way that you want it. You can have captions, and then when everything's done, you can just click on generate and wait for the software to generate your video. So let's check out what the software created with the prompt.
Ever wondered why some cats have that irresistible glossy coat? The secret lies in their diet. Our new cat food is designed to enhance your feline's fur, making it shinier and healthier than ever before. Our cat food is packed with omega-3 fatty acids and biotin, essential for improving fur texture and shine. Each bite is a delicious blend of high-quality ingredients, ensuring your cat gets the best nutrition possible.
That's right, Ryan. Our new food is much healthier for your cat, and the health benefits are clear.
These scientifically proven ingredients work wonders on your cat's coat. Not only do they enhance shine, but they also promote overall health, making every meal a step towards a happier, healthier pet. Transform your cat's coat with our new food, available at leading pet stores and online platforms. With affordable pricing options, there's no reason to wait. Give your feline friend the gift of a shiny coat today.
As you see, the video that the software creates is really professional looking. You can have multiple avatars interact with themselves, as we saw on scene number 2. We have the transitions in the video that we added, so it's more polished. And all in all, the lip sync, the audio, the script, the way that the video looks is really professional. As you saw, creating a product video as well as a training video or whichever kind of video that you want to use in your enterprise is really easy with Synthesia. I find it really amazing how real the avatars look. Thank you very much for watching. As always, my name is Santiago. Once again, there are some affiliate links on the description box down below if you want to use some of the paid plans of this software and all of the other softwares that we have created tutorials about on the channel. I really hope this was helpful for you guys. And without further ado, I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye bye.